Hello students, welcome to our YouTube channel. So today we are going to start our topic, that is line segment. So line segment is a very important topic for our day-to-day life also, because if we see around us what we are using or what we are going to use, and these all things are made up from the line segment. Because I want this marker, so I have to just draw a line, how much length I need. So we start manufacturing all the things from a line segment. This is specs, the screen, the laptop, and everything. Okay, so let's see what we are having here. The first we are having, that is definition, comparison of line segments, to measure a line segment, to construct a line segment of the given length. So let's see what we are having here. Okay, so the first one we are having, that is point. If we talk about a point, that is the point here, we are having A point, B point. This point has no dimension, but it is used to show the location. Okay, a dot made by the sharper pencil or a piece of paper represents a point. A point has no length, breadth, or thickness. We can name a point by writing a capital letter against the dot, just like point A, B, C, D, whatever. Now come to our next part, that is line segment. So when we draw a fixed dimensions line, okay, and that should not be extended in any direction, then this is our line segment. Okay, here we are in 2 points like A and B, so we draw a straight line from A to B, that is a line segment. The straight path from A to B is called the line segment. AB are said to be the end points of the line segment AB, and the line segment is denoted by AB. Okay, and if we talk about the line segment, it has only length. It does not have thickness or width. Clear? Okay, now move further. Now we are having C part. That is line. When a line segment is extended in both directions indefinitely, infinitely, a line is obtained. So we are having a line, that is AB, and here we are having arrows on both the sides. So that means this line can be extended toward this side or toward that side also. Clear? So it does not have any fixed length. So it is a line. So here we are in a line is obtained by extending a line segment in both the directions infinitely, and therefore a line has no endpoint indefinitely. Okay. Next is we are having a ray. A ray is a part of a line having initial point but no endpoint. In ray, this is the initial point from where the ray is started, but we don't have endpoint because here we are having an arrow symbol. That means it can be extended in any length. Clear? So here we are having, in other words, a line segment is extended indefinitely on one side. So the symbol we are going to use this arrow type symbol AB. Clear? The length of ray cannot be determined. It has only one endpoint. So you cannot also find the length of ray. Okay. So here we are having one more thing. Then you have seen the sun rays. Can you find out the length of rays? No, because they are indefinite to measure. So here we are having a divider. Divider is a tool or instrument which has two arms with pointed ends. So you have seen this kind of instrument in your compass box, and you have to measure the length of the line segment. Clear? So here we are having a divider, and this is used to compare the line segment that they are equal or not. Clear? So we put a divider here, and if we put here and just like this, so we can say that which line is shorter and longer. Come to our next part. Okay, here we are having our exercise 9b. Using divider, find out which of the line segment is longer. So let's see, we are having a divider or not. No, we don't have, but we will use a compass just like this. So we open it. Okay, this is AB. Now here we are having C and no. So we have to find out which is longer. So we can say that CD is longer. So CD is the longer line segment. Okay. So let's see what we are having in this B part. Okay, again we are going to use this compass to measure the length. Here we are having RS. Okay. So RS is of 3.4 centimeter according to my compass. But if you have divider, you can use this length. So if you are going to put this one, so RS is little bit longer than PQ. So we can say that here RS is also the longer side. Okay. Now come to our next part. Here we are having third topic, that is to measure a line segment. We are going to use ruler here. Okay, this is our ruler. Another method of comparing the line segments is to measure their lengths. A line segment is measured with the help of ruler or scale. Take out a 15 centimeter ruler out of the geometry box. Okay, so I also have a ruler of 15 centimeter. So here we are having a ruler of 15 centimeter. If I have to draw a line of any dimension, so what will I do? I will put my pencil on 0, clear. And then I will construct a 5 centimeter line I have to draw till here. If I want to draw 7 centimeter line, I have to draw till here. So by this way, we are going to draw the line or measure it from the 0 to whatever the length of the line segment. Clear? So next is B part, using a ruler and a divider. Okay. So from here we are going to use the divider first, then we will put that on the ruler. So we know that how much length of that part we measured from the divider. Clear? So here we are having our exercise 9C. Find out the length of the line segment given below. Okay. So I'm going to put 0 here, and here we are having 3.5 centimeter. So we can write that is 3.5 centimeter. Clear? Okay, let's measure one more line segment here, just like this one. First, you are going to put 0 on E, then rotate your circle just like this, and here we are having 3.1, 3.2 and 3.3. So we can say that this is 3.3 centimeters. Clear? Okay, next come to question number 2. Measure the line segment and verify if the line segments are equal. Okay, so we are going to take ruler again. Okay, here we are having 0 and this is 3.1 here. Now if we measure this line, so again this is 3.1, this is also 3.1. Now we have to measure this line segment. Okay, again this is 3.1. So we can say that this is 3.1 centimeter, this is also 3.1 centimeter, and this is 3.1 centimeter. So we measured all the line segments and all the line segments are equal. Okay, next is find the distance between the points given below. Okay, let's see what we are having here. This is point R and this is point P and this is Q and this is PQ. Now we have to find the distance of the points. So again we are going to measure the length of these sides. So here we are having 3.5. So we can see that PR is 3.5 centimeter. According to this figure size, this can be different in your book. So here we are having 3.5 again. Now we are going to measure the distance of PQ. And this is little bit further. And this is 3.8. So here we are having 3.8 centimeter. Clear? Okay, here we are having broken line. So we have to find out the length of the broken line segment. So here we are having this is 1. Or we can say that this is 2. Let's consider 2. This is 2 centimeter. Then again here we are having 0 to 1.4. So this is 1.4 centimeter. Then again here we are having 0 and 1.5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So this is 1.9 centimeter. Clear? Okay. Next is to construct a line segment of the given length. So we are going to use this ruler and draw it. So here we are going to draw a line segment of our exercise 9D. Okay, here we are going to draw a line segment. So let's pick E part. This is 6 centimeter and 8 millimeter. So here we are having 6 centimeter and 8 millimeter. Clear? So यहाँ पर हम आ जाते हैं scale लेते हैं. We are having a ruler here. So we'll draw a line from 0 to then first we are going to draw from the 6 centimeter and then we are having 8, 5, 6, 7 and this is 8. So we can say that this line segment AV is 6.8 centimeter. और वी कैन से दैट 6 सेंटीमीटर एंड 8 मिलीमीटर. अब इससे पहले है हमारे पास रे टॉपिक जिसमें मैंने रे एक्सप्लेन करा है. ठीक है. देन उसके बाद इसको ऐड कर लेना इस टॉपिक के बाद जो रे है. ठीक है. ओके, नाउ वी आर हैविंग आवर एक्सरसाइज दैट इज 9A एंड हियर वी आर हैविंग क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 that is mark any 4 points so that no 3 are in a straight line. Draw a line segment joining the point, joining them two at the time. So देखिए ये तो हम कहीं पर भी बना सकते हैं 1 just like 1 2 3 4. ठीक है. Now we have to okay. Now we can draw the points anywhere and after that we can join them. Okay, so here we are having 4 points and no 3 are in a straight line. We have fulfilled the condition here. So now move to next part. Here we are having question number 2. Name the line segment shown below. Okay. So let's see. Here we are having a triangle that is PQR. So we can say the 1, 2, 3 line segments are there, that is PQ, PR, and QR. Clear? Okay, after that we are having question number 3. Which of the following are line segment, ray, and line? Okay, so here we are having PQ. So this PQ is our ray. Here we don't have arrows on both the sides, so we are having AB as a line segment, and then here we are having both the arrows, so we can say that AB is a line. Clear? So these are the symbols of line segment, ray, and line. Okay, after that, question number 4, we are having use the points given below to illustrate AB, BC, and CF as a ray. Okay, here we have to show AB as a ray. Let's draw a line just like here, AB. So we can say that this point. Okay. Okay, now we are having next is just like CD. We can draw just like this, and EF we can draw just like this. So we have constructed the ray. Okay, next topic we are having comparison of line segments. So we are going to use which one is shorter and which one is longer using our divider. Clear? Okay. So okay, so our topic is completed. So you all have to do is practice only. Now see you next video. Till then, all the best.